Hello! It's Thursday and we are going. Where are we going, Brad?
Oh, you're filming me as well?
Oh, we're filming. Where are we going?
I don't know, you're meant to be directing me.
Do right. We're going magnet fishing. Yes, that's right. Magnet fishing again. Let's hope we find something really, really worth finding. I mean, the best find I've had was on my other video the other week where I found a bottle and it's worth about £10.
Yeah, it's
but
still worth
it's a
something
tenner,
though, isn't it?
you know, you find five of them, there's 50 quid there, so I ain't complaining.
Yeah, we should do that.
And that's just going off what I've been researching and what I've been told on the internet. I thought he was fallen over then. So yeah, so sun's out, or it's trying to come out. It's quite humid, to be fair, so let's see.
It's a nice day.
What we're gonna find. So we're down on the canal, different part of the canal today, to see if we can find any mystery treasures. But you never know what you're gonna find. Yeah, I'd love to get a jet ski on it and just blast it up there. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Jet ski and just blast it straight down that straight there. Wait till all the people are here at the side of it and just get them soaking wet. But we're not like that because we're not very antisocial people. We're quite nice, kind people, really. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just walking down the canal. I'm going to find a spot and then we're going to start magnet fishing.
Right, you'll so fall off that.
If that was in my back garden, you mean? Yeah. Oh, look at that, he's even got like a little kiln thing up there. That's what I need in my garden, folks, one of them. One of them. Hang on. Can't even find where my camera is. One of, oh, whatever, yeah. One of them things up there. Right, let's go see what we can find. So, we started walking down the canal and we've seen these people here. We thought they were actually dredging it. They're not, they're putting bank protection in. We just spoke to them. So, he said this canal, they reckon it was dredged about 3 years ago, he says, but whether that's true or not, we don't know. So, we're still going to give it a go. You never know. They don't pull everything out when they dredge it anyway, because I'm not being funny, if you've got old coins or anything like that, you're not going to pick it up with one of them big bloody grabbers. So who knows? It's a nice stretch of the canal here. It's a nice day. So I'm hoping we're going to find something interesting, really, because I don't know about Brad, I'm absolutely broke at the minute, so I could do with a bit of a good find to get myself back on track. So wish us luck and let's see what we find. Check this little shack out by the side of the canal. He's a bit like a steptoe, collecting stuff like I would. This is what I need, people, a shack like that. I need one of them in my life. And then he's got his 3 little old tractors. I can't see properly with these shades on. Look at them, old tractors. Move your fat head. You cock block.
Cock block?
I mean, vlog block. So we're gonna have a dabble around here and see what we can come up with. Canal boat. Plodding through the water. Going probably New Macclesfield from here, I think it goes to. As we come down here, round that corner there, and then it'll be gone. Oh, I wish we could get on one of them, don't you? Alright. My camera zoomed in. It'd be nice to just get on one of them and go for a little mooch.
Not too sure. I think I might have got it working.
Nice rusty hammer. Oh, so there might be stuff here after all. Sorted. I needed a new hammer. Don't think that'll do it like, but there's one thing. Crack on. You never know, might find a full toolbox if we're lucky. There's like something else in here. Oh well.
You lost it?
No, I found a hammer. One sec, let me turn the camera around. Sorry about that. Found an old hammer. I won't say it's very old, but it's old enough. Rusty enough. So, must have been in there 6 months or something. But yeah. Why somebody would throw that in there, I don't know. But I got a hammer. Might bash Brad over the head with it later if he doesn't stop complaining about his bloody camera not working.
Hey, that camera's expensive.
So if I bash him over the head, it's going to end up back in the canal. You never know, it could have been a murder weapon for all I know. Who knows? It might be used as one by the end of today. We'll see. He's relieving himself in the heart of nature there, aren't we, Brad?
I need a wee. It's natural.
This is going on YouTube.
Don't bother me. As long as me wiener ain't in it.
It's not that good a camera to pick up something so small.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha! Brad's having a wee in the middle of the... Look, I wouldn't mind, it's hardly a private part of the canal to pee in. It's like right in the middle of the lane.
It was in the bushes. Do you see a toilet round here? No.
Shame on you, Brad. Shame on you.
It's better than a number 2, ain't it?
Well, yeah, because you need leaves then to wipe your bum.
You'll be wiping it.
I just dropped my hat, people. I just dropped it. You see all there? Don't know if you can see them yet. Why is it taking so long to zoom in? See the ducky wucky wuckies and all the little ducklings with it. Should we catch a duckling and take it home as a pet? Ah, has it knackered up?
Yeah.
Has it gone? Has it gone, has it, Brad?
Gone again.
Ah ha ha ha! Oh, check him. Check all these little ducklings, man. That's sick. I want one. You see him? How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 I think I counted. Oh, check them, man. They're mint. Look at them. I well wish I had a duckling. Look at them all. Look at them. They're cool. So yeah, it's not magnet fishing anymore. It's duck watching. Oh, I want one. Cool. So yeah, a group of ducklings with the mummy. 13 ducklings. Oh, if I had a net, I could catch one. Look how close they are. Oh, I think the mother would turn vicious, wouldn't you? Turn it.
Used to humans.
No, if you caught one, I mean. They're cool. I want one. I'm gonna make my own duck pond in my garden. Brad, get the magnet there. Get the magnet there. Whatever it is, it's pedal backwards, don't it? Right there, you can feel it. You got it? You got it as well, haven't you? Oh yes, look at that. Yeah, get it out.
Shot.
Oh, oh. I found that. It's just my magnet not strong enough. You got it? Gently.
Yeah! Oh, it looks like my old little tribe.
Yeah? Pedal bike.
It's not his shot.
We've got a pedal bike. Do you know what? These are the ones you used to have in kids' nurseries, didn't you?
Yeah. There you go. That is shot.
Yeah, that. I'm not going to go your magnet.
That's my magnet.
Not anymore, it's not. Oh, took it up.
There's still a back end to it, yeah. So because I've got good find, I should probably be the magnet.
There's something here.
Got the wrong magnet.
Let's put something there. Let's put it there. Yeah, something there.
Oh, you've got it.
Oh, that's something.
Back it is. Cigar tin.
So it is. Cigar tin there, people. Yeah, I did get it with Brad's magnet, but the aim of the game is to clean the canal, is it, or is it not? There's something else heavier there. Right there, Brad, right there.
I can't film right there.
Look, you know it's something there when you clean the magnet.
Get over that now. It was 10 o'clock in the morning.
Definitely something there, Brad. I don't think it just needs this magnet. Am I even in shot of my own camera? Get to there. You can feel it pulling, Brad. There.
Pull it out.
Trying to, but get my magnet on it as well.
Probably the back end to this.
Fishing. Like to go to signing in. No, costly.
in?
It's in a spam and a can. So at least we're helping cleaning the water lane.
Right, my go.
Definitely something there. 1 million billion trillion %. Right, I'm going to stop recording for a minute. Because, yeah, so I found a tin, a spam lid, a lid off a can, and I found this with Brad's magnet, and Brad pulled it out with his magnet. So,
You found it with your magnet, but I pulled it out.
can you say that again, just so the viewers know? Just who found it, Brad?
With his magnet, and then I pulled it out so it goes on my video.
It's going on both our videos, you keep saying. It's from both perspectives.
Yeah.
Both of us pointers of views.
If you stuck your finger up your backside.
I think he means because I've got mud on my finger. So, we're going to try here instead. One, because the sun shines here, and two, because it's right next to a bridge, and people have a habit of throwing junk off bridges. So, let's see what we can get. I think the bag's in the way there.
Check out my camera holder.
Oh. We've got a magnet. Look at that. This is what we're dealing with. Shows your magnet, Brad. Well, oh no, he's cleaned it. You got something on the bottom. If you got bottle cap, I've just pulled out a lighter. No, I have not.
Smell it well back.
I've just got a lighter from under there. Boop boop. Well, that's a bit of a disappointing day, don't you think? I only found a hammer. Not really.
Well, you found more than me.
Well, found a hammer and a few little crappy bits, but hey ho. So, Brad's just treated me to a nice McDonald's, which was well earned for all the walking that we've done.
It's more like to shut him up because I've got to go and do chores and he's moaning.
I'm not bothered he bought me a McDonald's, I'm happy. That's my find of the day. So,
plus, click like if you want to see him try and jump the canal.
yeah, do it.
If
And when I say jump the canal, we mean jump the distance of a walk, not the whole bloody width of the canal.
Basically, he's going to fall in, so click like. If we get to 30 likes, he'll do it on his next
Only
video.
30? I want 100 likes.
No, your views are like 30. Your view average is between 30 and say 60.
Yeah, something like that.
So 30 likes. I don't even get 30 likes on my videos.
I'm not surprised with a face like that. Right, so anyway, that was it. That was today's vlog. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like all the videos that we're doing, then subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. Take it easy. Don't do anything I won't do, which is not a lot. Yeah, and peace out, mofos.
Peace out, mofo.